Lisa.
Testing.
Lisa?
1, 2. Oh my God, I was just like recording or whatever. Who doesn't love the Beatles? Spring, let's go. Break the fourth wall.
Just break it. Okay.
Yeah. So here's the spring collection. As you can see, it is a lot of pastels and also some pops of color. The collection is based on the Beatles. Here comes the sun. Such great inspiration. Such easy inspiration. Oh my God, it's just like names for days.
What's your favorite?
This one actually, Lucy in the Sky. I've never done a blend like this. It's different pastel sugars like pastel blue, peach, and then it's got silver and gold mini dragees and glitter stars in it. It just looks so good. I'm gonna pick the best seller as Let It Be. Did you know that if you sing in the shower, you actually sound better?
No.
Let it be, let it be. Not only is the name magnificent, but it's this cutesy little pastel blend, and it has multicolored dragees in it. It's just poppin'. It's just very sweet and innocent looking, but it has a very, very deep soul. Anywho, I'm starving.
What's next?
Strawberry Fields. Did you get strawberries?
No.
This one I was not sure about. I love the name Strawberry Fields forever. I knew I wanted to do something red and pink and green, but not make it look like Christmas, which was very, very difficult. But I figured it out, and it doesn't look like Christmas. It looks like Strawberry Fields forever, so booyah.
Oh, Lisa, what's your connection to music and the Beatles?
I married British guy once. Shopping trolley, garage, yogurt, pasta. Oh my, let's go down to the pub. Let's get a pint at the pub.
Yeah. Yeah.
And she's a day tripper. That one's meant to be psychedelic, fun, cute. This one is really cool. It's very green, very springy. It just kind of reminds me of like a psychedelic vibe. It's got some neon green in it, lots of purple. This one just feels like spring, grass, flowers. You know, it's a little day tripper action, if you're into that. This is Hello Goodbye. This one just reminds me of all of those, what's that street in the UK with all the umbrellas that are like, all the rainbow umbrellas?
Hold on. Oh, Borough Market.
Borough Market, there you go. That's what it reminds me of. It's just really fun and colorful, very springy, and it's got all these cute little hearts in it just because it's like happy and carefree. And this just gives me an overall happy vibe. It reminds me of colorful umbrellas and, you know, rain boots in the spring. Mwah, chef's kiss. Here comes the sun. Get it? Sun? Here comes the sun. This was the basis of my whole collection.
Why?
Because like after the winter, here comes the sun, the spring, you know, and just like, yeah, here comes the sun coming out of dark times. Makes sense to me.
I love it.
You love it?
I'm here for it.
How do I know if you're being honest?
You don't. You just have to trust me. Let's go inside. I'm hot.
Okay guys, so the spring collection is out now. You can shop all 8 blends, and I'm really excited about this one. So comment and let us know which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content.